Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Tusk UTV quick release cargo system on your Polaris RZR XP1000. Now the box we're installing today is the bed mounted box, and it's a great way to bring some additional items with you out on your ride. It's a pretty simple install process, so let's go ahead and get started. To start out, we're going to attach the pannier rack to the back of the harness mounts. So these are going to sit on the roll cage bar just behind the headrests on your seats. We're going to use the M6 hardware for the top and the M10 hardware for the bottom. And you'll notice we have the release pin at the top. This one releases from the left side, but some of these are going to release from the right side. Next, we need to prep our cargo boxes. So we're going to start with the latches. You're going to take one of these latch mounting plates and the M5 hardware. We'll go through these bottom two holes. Set this on the side of the cargo box. Then you have the acorn nuts on the back side. Now for the latch, you want to make sure the loop is in the correct position. So I need to wrap this around so it doesn't get trapped underneath. Then I'm going to open this up, and I've got 4 more bolts going through this, the latch plate and into the box. Then we'll install the acorn nuts on the inside. And we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm socket to tighten all that hardware down. Then we'll do those same steps for the other latch. Now we need to attach the mount bracket to the cargo box. With that being said, you can see we've already had this installed once. But if you need to get to this point, what you're going to do is set your mount bracket somewhere towards the top of the box right there. You're going to measure up from the bottom, and if you have a large box like us, you're going to go 5 7/8 of an inch to the bottom. You can mark this out to make sure you have everything squared up, and then you're going to go 5 inches from each side. Then make sure you're centered up, and from here all you need to do is use your Sharpie. You're going to mark all 7 mounting locations. Take our 11/32 inch drill bit and drill those holes out. Keep in mind these measurements are our recommendation, but if you have other accessories you're trying to make this work with, you can put the mounting bracket wherever you want it. The next step, you're going to take 7 washers. You're going to place these over the holes you just drilled. Set the mount plate in place. Then you've got 3 shorter button head bolts, and you've got 4 longer ones. The shorter ones, they're going to go through that mounting plate, through the washer, and into the cargo box. Then you have this support bracket. You're going to go on the inside. Then you're going to use one of these serrated flange nuts. Now for the 4 longer bolts, you're going to put a washer on each one of them. Come through the inside, through the box, through that washer, and through your bracket. And then you've got the flange nut on the outside. And then from here we need to tighten down all of the hardware. We're going to be using our 5mm Allen and 13mm socket. Now we can bring the box over to the machine, and to get this in place, we've got 2 hooks on the bottom. We're going to roll this into place, pull the pin, and make sure it clips in all the way. Now with this in place, we need to mark the mounting location for the security knob. I'm just going to use a Sharpie. You could also use a punch from the back side. Then we're going to remove the box, bring it over to the bench, and drill that out. Now we can reinstall the box, and we're going to take the security knob. We've got the serrated washer that goes on it. We'll screw that into place, and that's going to help keep this box from rattling while you're out on the ride. And if you want to lock the box, it's also going to help prevent theft. So that's all it takes to install your Tusk UTV bed-mounted quick release cargo system on your Polaris RZR XP1000. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments, and if you need to pick one up, you can find these on our website or just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.